Lasagne is a type of pasta, and the dish made with it is one of the oldest known pasta dishes. The origins of lasagne can be traced back to ancient Greece and Rome. The word lasagne is derived from the Greek word lasanon, which means chamber pot. The Romans borrowed the word as lasanum to mean cooking pot. The Italians then used the word to refer to the dish in which lasagne is made. The modern lasagne we know today, featuring layers of pasta, cheese, and sauce, originated in Italy. It is particularly associated with the region of Emilia-Romagna, where traditional lasagne is made with green spinach pasta, béchamel sauce, and a rich meat sauce called ragù. Lasagne has evolved over the centuries, with many regional variations and adaptations in different countries, becoming a beloved comfort food worldwide. Nutritional content, calories. Lasagne is often calorie-dense due to its combination of pasta, cheese, and meat or vegetable sauces. Consuming it in large quantities can contribute to weight gain if not balanced with physical activity. Macronutrients, carbohydrates. Pasta is a significant source of carbohydrates, providing energy. Proteins, cheese, meat, and sometimes additional protein sources like eggs can make lasagne a good source of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Fats, cheese, and meat sauces can be high in fats, including saturated fats, which should be consumed in moderation to maintain heart health. Micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Depending on the ingredients, lasagne can provide essential vitamins and minerals. For example, tomatoes in the sauce are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, while spinach pasta can provide iron and folate. Health implications, weight management. Because of its high calorie content, frequent consumption of lasagne can contribute to weight gain if not balanced with other lower-calorie meals and physical activity. Digestive health. Lasagne contains carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, which can be filling and may slow digestion. For some people, the richness of the dish can cause digestive discomfort, especially if it is high in fat or contains ingredients they are sensitive to like dairy or gluten. Heart health. High fat content, especially from saturated fats found in cheese and some meats, can impact cholesterol levels. Opting for leaner meats and reduced fat cheese can make a heart healthier version. Blood sugar levels. The carbohydrates in lasagne can cause spikes in blood sugar, particularly if the pasta is made from refined flour. Whole grain pasta can help mitigate this effect. Nutrient balance. To make lasagne a more balanced meal, incorporating vegetables can boost fiber and nutrient content, helping you feel fuller longer and supporting overall health. Moderation and balance. Eating lasagne in moderation as part of a balanced diet is generally fine for most people. Pairing it with a salad or other vegetables can create a more balanced meal. Adjusting the recipe to include healthier ingredients can also enhance its nutritional profile. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated to my new video.